Today we talk about how can you enable live location on your Opera app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click here on account down here. So when you just click here on account, so then here it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here settings, click on it. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on privacy. So when you just click on privacy, it's going to take you to this list. You're scrolling down here. You will find here live location, just click on it. You will find here live location sharing with drives here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.